Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Husnul Labib, nomor peserta PPG 2015 02951735 dengan NIM PPG 2201020042 akan mengajarkan bahasa Inggris dengan materi Procedure Text kelas 9. Berikut ini adalah kartu ujian saya. Terima kasih. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hi students, how are you today? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
And you? And you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Well, I hope you always okay for today. Well, before we are going to learn, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish. So, okay, I want to check your attendance here. I see that there are only student can join with us. I hope later all of the students can join in our meeting. Well, I share the PowerPoint for you. Wait a minute. Okay, have you seen this PowerPoint? Bisa dilihat PowerPoint-nya? Bisa ya? Oke,
Bisa.
Ya. Jelas ya PowerPoint-nya ya?
Jelas.
Okay, here students, during this pandemic, I hope you always keep your healthy by keeping social distancing, and then always wash your hand, and then don't forget to eat a healthy food. So here there is one quote for you that said that good food choice are good investment. So by having ability to produce a healthy food for ourselves is the actualization of applying of knowledge from learning a recipe. It will be our investment for the future. So, well, let's make a healthy food and drink to support our health by focusing on specific information in procedure text of recipe. Well, I just want to review about the last material with one questions for you. So here there is one question. Mention the things that you have to do after you know the food or the drink that you want to make related to generic structure of recipe as a procedure text. Is there anyone can answer my questions? How about Salsa? What do you think?
Sir, I think we have to remember about the generic structure of procedure text consists of three, that item, ingredients, and step.
Okay, very good. How about you, Zahra? What do you think about my questions? Do you want to say something, Zahra? Okay, no. How about you, Adele?
Sir,
What do
we
you think?
have
You okay?
to make the steps.
Okay, can you repeat again? Bisa diulangi? Zahra?
Sir, we have to make the steps in order.
Okay, very good. Now, how about you, Adele? What do you think? Uh, do you want to say
Sir,
something? Yeah.
prepare and utensil.
Okay, prepare ingredient and utensil. So here there are several terms that we have already done in previous meeting, uh, like about communicative purpose of procedure text and then the generic structures procedure text. So here let you know about the tujuan pembelajaran, yeah, that will be learned for today. Yeah, the first one is correlate specific information up to procedure text of recipe correctly, and then the second one is compare specific information of to written procedure text about recipe correctly, and then the third one create a procedure text based on the specific information from the picture correctly. So there are three tujuan pembelajaran atau objective learning for today. So and then there are also garis besar kegiatan that will take for this learning. The first one is learning activity in a group discussion. So you are try to answer the question in a group discussion. And then the second one is general agenda. The first one is general explanation by observing and identifying, and then looking for information to answer formulation of the problem. And then I guide you in a discussion or confirmation or presentation of a group. And then we want to make a conclusion. And then in this learning activity, there are also pre-test and post-test, and then there are also assessment. So there are also assessment. So to know your ability about procedure text. So here I give you I give you a pretest. This pretest consists of two questions. Yeah, two questions. The first one is how is the correlation between the use of simple present tense with imperative sentence in making food ordering? And then the second one, what are the important points when you want to make a procedure text of recipe relate with language feature in procedure text? So in doing this pre-test, probably I give you for 5 minutes to do that. Let's doing now. Jadi silakan, ini pretestnya dikerjakan. Saya berikan waktu 5 menit untuk mengerjakannya. Okay, finish.
Finisher.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So let's submit your pretest on Microsoft Forms. Now, this is our main activity here. I give you, let's see the following pictures. So here there are two pictures. The first one is healthy juice, and then the second one is fruit salads. Fruit salad. And then relating to those pictures, what's come in your mind? Jadi coba dilihat gambarnya. So here there are one pictures healthy juice, and then there is pictures healthy juice, and then there is pictures fruit salads. Kira-kira from this picture, apakah kalian bisa menemukan might be related to similarity of ingredient? Kira-kira apakah kalian bisa menemukan persamaan ingredient dari masing-masing gambar ini? Di ingredient. Ingredient itu adalah bahan, ya, pembuatan. Apakah ada persamaan?
Yes, sir. Ada.
Yes. Oke, kira-kira persamaannya apa? Sama-sama dibuat dengan menggunakan bahan apa?
Sama-sama menggunakan bahan buah.
Buah. Oke, buah dalam bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Fruits.
Fruits. Okay, so
Fruit.
okay,
Fruit.
fruits. So here, both of this picture has similar ingredients, and then what the other? Kira-kira kalau kita lihat dari gambar ini, tadi kan udah dilihat persamaannya. Kira-kira ada nggak perbedaannya? Maybe related to the steps. Ada nggak perbedaannya? Apakah ini semuanya sama caranya, langkah-langkahnya? Dalam membuat healthy juice and then fruit salad? Beda?
Ada perbedaan.
Okay, perbedaan. So there are differences of making healthy drink and then fruit salads. Ya, jadi ada perbedaannya di dalam membuat healthy drink and then fruit salads. Tebanya di dalam langkah-langkah. Now, here there is rumusan permasalahan here from the pictures. The first one is, what is the similarity between two procedure text related to ingredient based on two procedure text? Ya, jadi ini adalah rumusan permasalahan yang pertama. And then here in this room together, we want to know what the similarity of ingredient. Kita akan mencari persamaannya dari ingredient, ya, dari ingredient of making healthy juice and then fruit salads. And then you can specify one by one the similar ingredient both of drinks. Jadi kalian bisa both of those text. Jadi kalian bisa menspesifikasikan apa bahan yang sama, ya, bahan yang sama dari pembuatan kedua ini teks tersebut. Kemudian the second one, how can you differentiate the step between the first and then the second procedure text? Yeah, so you have to find the different step between the first and then the second procedure text. And then the third one, how do you explore, differentiate the imperative sentence, which distinguish how to make healthy juice and then how to make fruit salad relate to the function of the food and drink of humans' life? So here there are three formulation of the problem atau rumusan masalah yang akan kita bahas pagi ini. And then here, let's pay attention to this recipe. Silakan perhatikan resep ini. This is one kind of resep. Kira-kira, can you guess what is the end title of this recipe?
How to make healthy.
Okay, how to make healthy juice. Okay, here the title is how to make healthy juice, and then there are also ingredient, and then there are also the steps, and then the step here consists of 4 steps. Yeah, let's take a point. Silakan perhatikan poin yang penting, ya, cari informasi yang dianggap penting, dicatat, and then after that I give you a question relating to this one. Okay. Now the second one is how to make fruit salad. This is the picture of how to make fruit salad. And then there are several ingredients. You have taken note here, yeah. And then utensil, and then steps, Yeah, don't forget to take note. Ya, jangan lupa kalian perhatikan and then catat apa yang dianggap penting menurut kalian from this picture. Now, I will make a breakdown to discuss about these questions. So, jadi nanti saya akan buatkan breakdown room-nya untuk membicarakan masalah pertanyaan ini about this question. There are 2 questions here. The first one is, what is the similarity between 2 procedure texts related to ingredient based on 2 procedure texts? And then the second one, you also discussing about how can you differentiate the step between the first and then the second procedure text. This is our knowledge exercises. Ini adalah exercise of knowledge, ya. Nanti kalian diskusikan hal ini. Kemudian the second one, it is about skill exercise. So you have to discuss about how do you explore, differentiate the imperative sentence, which distinguish how to make healthy juice, and then how to make salad related to the function of the food and drink for humans' life. Ya, ini jangan lupa, ini nanti kalian diskusikan. Sekarang saya akan membuatkan breakout room-nya. Silakan, jika ada tombol join, silakan join. Oke, tadi kan sudah ada. There are 2 questions related to knowledge exercise. Jadi ada 2 pertanyaan tadi terkait dengan knowledge exercise. You can discussing those exercise with your friends. Ya, silakan didiskusikan di dalam grup ini. If there are any question related to the questions, you can ask me as soon as possible. Do you understand? Do you understand? Jadi kalau ada ada hal yang dianggap sulit, silakan tanyakan ke saya. Jelas ya? Oke, jelas semua?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I give you for several minutes to do that. Let's discuss it. Okay, finish. Now, have you finished? Have you finished yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's us join in main room. Silahkan join ke main room dengan mengeklik leave breakout room ya. Leave breakout room. Jadi silahkan klik leave breakout room-nya. Kita join ke room itu. Okay, so Lucy, can you present your group discussion here? Lucy, bisa di-share hasil dari diskusi grup kamu di sini? Oke, silakan dibacakan hasil diskusinya.
How to make healthy juice. First, cut all the ingredients into small pieces and put them in a blender. Secondly, turn on the blender wet until all the ingredients are soft. Next, after softening, serve the juice. How to make salad. First, wash the fruits, peel and then sit the fruits if need. Second, slice and cut them in cubes. Next, arrange them in a bowl. Then pour mayonnaise and yogurt over it. Mix them until blended. The last, refrigerate them until.
Okay, so this is the question for the second for exercise skill. Okay, you can stop sharing here. Silahkan di stop sharing. Nah, okay. Now, next, I want to give you the examples. So here, the examples. If there is a question, please create a procedure tag based on guided picture below by paying attention to specific information given. So for the next sessions, this is the individual exercise. You can make a procedure text based on guided picture. So here the title is how to make avocado juice with the ingredients: 1 avocado, a half glass of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half sachet of milk, some ice cubes. These are our ingredients in making avocado juice. So, and then here there are several pictures. They are guided pictures, and then you have to guess the step by saying the pictures here. For example, the first picture, first blah blah blah. So you can find the specific information from here, yeah, and then try to answer by filling the missing word here. Contoh ya, contohnya adalah yang pertama first. First ini apa yang kita kerjakan ini? First adalah
Cut the
avocado. Okay, good. And then the second one. Cut
avocado into small pieces.
Okay, good. Very good. The third one. for apa? Di sini ada informasinya. Oke. For avocado add one apa? Avocado. Kemudian add 1 tablespoon of sugar, yeah, and then a half glass of water, good, and then into the blender. That gets the picture 4. Gambar 4 ini kita tebak. Apa nih? Put avocado. Ya, put avocado. Juice into the apa ini? Into the glass. Okay, the last one. The avocado is ready. The avocado is ready to be served
The
now.
juice avocado is ready to be served.
Oke, very good. Nah, jadi langkah pengerjaannya seperti itu, ya. Now here there are 2 kinds of exercise, individual exercise. The first one knowledge assessment. The second one is skill assessment. And then the learning objective here, you able to analyze specific information of 2 procedure text of recipe correctly. And then the quiz assessment can be accessed from the following link. So here the link will share you in chat box. And then the skill assessment is the learning objective is integrate correctly specific information into the step of how to make orange juice. And then also here the exercise can be accessed from the following link. And then here this link will be share on the chat box. Okay, so I gonna share the link itself. Sudah selesai? Okay, sudah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's submit
Yes.
your. Okay, let's submit in Microsoft Form. Now, we want to make a conclusion from our meeting for today. Here, today we are talking the specific information in procedure text, exactly the structure of the text. So there are action verb, imperative sentence, logical connectors, adverbial phrase, simple present tense. This is the specific information for in procedure text. So relating to imperative sentence, in 2 kinds of procedure text given here, healthy juice and then how to make fruit salad, and then related to the function of the food and drink for humans' lives. So we can specify there are several words that categorized as imperative. Ini yang garis merah ini ya, yang bercetak merah adalah adverbial, ya. And then the second one, this is the cut. This is the verb, ya. Ini adalah bagian dari imperatif. Cut all the ingredient into small piece and put them in blender. Imperatif yang lain yang mana? Di sini. Turn on blender, wait until all the ingredient are soft. And then next, after softening, serve the juice. This is the imperative sentence. And then the last one, add a few drops of lemon. And then imperative in how to make salad. This is wash the fruit, peel and then sieve the fruit if Saya ulangi. And then imperative in how to make salad. The first was the fruits. Ya, was the fruit adalah bagian dari imperatif. And then peel and then seed the fruit if needed. Secondly, slice and cut them in cubes. Ini adalah bagian dari imperatif. And then arrange them in a bowl. And then pour mayonnaise adalah bagian dari imperatif. So here, before we end the meeting, there is a post test here. I want you to conduct this post test for 5 minutes. The post test consists of two questions. The first one is, how is the correlation between the use of simple present tense with imperative sentence? In making food ordering. And the second one, what are important points when you want to make a procedure text of recipe related with language feature in procedure text? So I give you for 5 minutes to do this post test. Okay, finish? Finish?
Yes,
Finish,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So, after you finish your post test, let's submit your post test in Microsoft Form. Now, today I invite you to apply the theory of learning activity in our life. So whenever you want to make a procedure text, don't forget that there are steps that have to follow, and then the steps also always consist of imperative sentence. Well, students, now I announce you for the next meeting, and then our material is about the topic that everybody is always in the middle of something. Now, before we are going to close our lessons, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.